Hey folks, we're live at 9:09 and we are running a 6-winner mini for Troy's Yak Face. I got 53 spots right here that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winners. I believe this closes the main, so somebody may get a Yak Face tonight. That's always fun. We got an 8. We're good to go. Good luck, guys and gals, as we hit it. Patrick, round 1 and round 2. Scott, round 3. Beetlejuice, round 4. Scott, round 5. And round 6. Patrick, round 7. And our winners are Adam, Patrick, Scott, Jason, and Patrick. Congrats, guys. Here's the verification code and official results. Excuse me, YZWCFK. There you have them. I am done at 9:10 p.m. There they are again, your official results. Congrats, guys. We'll see you next time. Thank you.